my YouTube channel, and this particular video I'll be sharing with you how you'll be able to claim your NPRO. This is what this video will actually be all about, and also I'll be sharing with you in this particular video on how you'll be able to stake your NER, because I don't think this is a worthy investment, and I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence. I won't be advising anybody in my community to actually stake, because it wasn't actually a worthy investment. So like what I did, I actually predicted in my previous video was what actually come into play. So we are getting close to hitting our 4,000 watchers. So please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so you're going to enter will upload another video, and always watch our video to the end and watch more of our videos so that we're able to hit our 4,000 watch hour before the end of this particular year. And also make sure you subscribe. If you want to join my WhatsApp community, it is free of charge. I'll be dropping the link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So let me just quickly show you the current price of NPRO token currently in the market. If you watched the last video I did about NPRO, the tentative price that it could possibly be listed, I gave two speculation, and I'm very happy, because one of the one that I actually say it is possible it was what actually come to pass. Although this particular token was listed at around 0.5, which was my prediction. Currently now you can see now it has done, because a lot of people are selling to around 0.2, which is still within the range, because I say 0.08 to around 0.5, and this is if you're able to one NPRO token will give us 0.1 near. You could see the liquidity currently is at around 33, and yes, if you watch the video I created, it was around 48,000. Yes, and this is the market cap. At some point the market cap was around 700 plus, yes, but now it is around 296. It is still possible for it to go up. I'm not saying you should keep it, but it's still possible for it to go up, because they have a particular buyback mechanism. I did actually pick some screenshot as at when it got listed. You could see what I was saying, as it was around 0.59, which was what I predicted. These are the market cap then 600, and the liquidity was around 50,000, which was still within the range of what I actually predicted. In fact, I'm actually proud of myself. So I also take a screenshot in the former you could see my staking of 3 near, which has actually even currently dumped now. Well, it gave me 0.2, and from the referral campaign I was able to get 0.56. I never this particular campaign, so which give me 1.48, which is not even up to $1 from staking 3 near, which was close to $10 for good 2 months. So this is not actually a worthy investment. That's why I won't be going for that. That's why I'll be staking my near and use it for another important thing. So let's dive in on how we'll be able to claim. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to update your NPRO app. So after you have updated it on Play Store, you come to this particular aspect that actually say claim. So let me tap on the claim button. You could see it's giving me all the list of how I was able to get 1.48. So I tap on confirm. I have some near on it already, so let me wait for it. Don't forget that you need to have some near as for the gas fee for it to actually claim your token. So actually I've been trying to claim, but I'm actually getting some error, but I actually did not know the major reason why I'm actually getting that particular error. So I can't say if it was my net that wasn't actually enough. So I'm trying to actually add to my net balance yet. I have 0.08, and they actually say 0.2. I've forgotten. So let me increase my net balance and try it. So if we're able to go through, I'll actually share with you on how I was able to do it. So first, before I even try as much as possible to add more to my, so let me go to on staking my because this isn't a worthy investment. So what you have to do is that you have to come to this end section. You tap on this your NPRO pool, then you come to this particular section that actually say on stake. Then you tap on the on stake. You actually need some gas fee. So I'll put it on max, which was 3 NER. So this is actually the fee. Let me tap on it, and I say confirmed and on stake. Let me put on my fingerprint. Yes, and let me wait for it to on stake. So now you can see, now you see your transaction have been completed successfully now. So I have to click on this done, I have to tap on this done, and let me check if my near has actually bought. I think according to them, it will actually take some couple of some days. So I think so. So I'll still give you a full details. I think my vendor has actually, let me check now. So now you could see now that my balance here has actually increased to 2.0, and what I was able to say, I think the claim I was trying to do actually went through. Now you can see that I have 0.0.5, and my NPRO has actually arrived. So this is how you'll be able to swap your token now. Let me share with you how you'll be able to swap your token. So you'll come to this particular aspect where you see this near sign. You tap on it, then you tap on swap, then you tap on swap, then you tap on the token. Let's say I want to pro, then I'll just have to select the currency USDT. I said it is not found. If it is not going through like this, or let me say from my NPRO is not going through, let me look for another option. So now as you can see now, let me quickly share something with you. If you come to this end section here, and I come to my staking, you see that that means my staking, I've actually removed my staking. Then I'm still waiting for my BNB for it to arrive. See, you are not currently staking with any validator. Meanwhile, you can stake. I'm not staking because it's not actually worthy investment. Now you can see it's showing me that near available is 0.08, and whereas I've actually on stake, which is should be more than 3 near. So for you to be able to claim now, another thing you need to do is that when you come to this particular NPRO, I just discovered something now. Look at it. Look at what this place actually reads. It say NPRO can be used to get premium or interact with NetDR. If you want to swap NPRO to other token, you must first swap it. I have to swap it to. I don't know what it means near this thing. So if I tap on this swap section here, so I need to swap it from here to this one here. I have to put on max, then you see it has a fee also. So I think you say upgrade now your tier and save fees on swap. I'm not saving on any, they still using basic. So let me just continue, close. So I'll still have to tap on confirm and swap. Let me tap on it and put my security code here. It says processing. Let me wait for it to process. So as you can see now, I've actually swapped it successfully from this particular NPRO and then to this particular one. And as you can see in this one, it is saying NPRO, but it's actually showing the same balance, actually 0.46 and 1.4, and the dollar is actually then I think from here I'll be able to swap to any token of my choice. Now let me tap on this last swap section. Then I think this is the NPRO now. Then yeah, I should be able to choose USDT now. Okay, yes, I got what I'm looking for. Yes, this is just the technique now that I've actually been waiting for. So now in this particular one, you're able to choose any token of your choice. So now you're able to choose any token of your choice, USDT. Then if I put on max, you see it now. It is actually loading now. Then I believe that you'll be able to load into USDT, and I'll be able to swap this particular NPRO to this particular token actually. So but for now I'm not actually swapping because I believe that this particular NPRO will still increase. Then anytime it increase, I'll be able to swap it into USDT and send it out. If video was helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so you're going to enter upload another new video. Thank you and bye bye for now.